Hi, my name is Chris Evans, and in this video, I'm going to explain my background, the background to my involvement with FC United of Wrexham, and also a little bit about Saith Seren, the community cooperative Welsh centre and pub, which I help run in Wrexham. Saith Seren opened in January 2012 as a Welsh community cooperative. Wrexham is not a very Welsh-speaking area, but with the growth in Welsh medium education and the increase in support for the Welsh language, it was felt that we needed a social hub to promote the Welsh language and culture. In the same week as Saith Seren opened, my second son Daniel was born, and myself and my wife Claire, we were up to our ears in nappies, so we didn't get to go to Saith Seren very much in the first couple of years. In February 2015, 3 years after opening, I was devastated to hear that Saith was closing due to financial difficulties, so I decided to launch a campaign for financial pledges, and fortunately it worked. I joined the board and then took over as chair in 2017. Like most pubs, we had a tough time during lockdown, but one of my lockdown projects was to tidy up the courtyard and to paint a few dragons. We've continued to improve every year, and now we're in a better position than ever. And we have something going on every night. For example, the beginning of the week is mainly darts and pool. And on Thursdays, we have the Welsh Learners group, Club Clebran, which is flourishing. We're very much a live music venue, and we have bands on every Saturday night and most Fridays, and we have a Welsh language gig every month. It's a great place to come and watch Wales play sports, rugby and football, especially during the Six Nations when the singing's really good. But we're very much a community hub. We try and work with charities, we're welcoming to family, and even Santa calls every Christmas Eve. My eldest son Oshan has played for FC United of Wrexham for nearly 2 years, and his younger brother Daniel joined 6 months ago. It's really developed and improved their footballing skills, and they both play for the Wrexham County Schools team. We've had some unforgettable experiences with the club. For example, winning the National Futsal Championships in Loughborough in 2023. And even Jesus blessed our victory on the way home. We've also played against the Australian national futsal side every year and swap shirts at the end. Another great experience was going to London earlier this summer to play in the 2024 National Championships and representing Wales in a special game against the England team. And we had a lot of fun practicing the Welsh national anthem beforehand. I'm very pleased and proud that Saith Seren sponsors the team and is the venue for our social events such as the annual presentation evening. And this year we held a race night which raised £300 for the club. And I'm delighted that we've had support from the likes of actor Michael Sheen and Wrexham FC co-owner Ryan Reynolds. But even better than that is the support we're now getting from the amazing Adam Alfie, which makes me feel very excited about the future of the club. I think that FC United, Wrexham and Saith Seren are perfect partners, as they're both all about bringing the community together, developing skills and having fun. I think it's the start of a beautiful friendship. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.